center of gravity. Center of gravity. The center of gravity is the point that any object can be balanced. Okay. So two experiments. Okay. So you know symmetric objects. Symmetric objects like square, triangle, and rectangle. So these objects are called symmetric objects. So center of gravity, the center of gravity is a point that any body can be balanced on that point. Okay. So these symmetric objects are very easily balanced. Like this one, it can easily balanced. Okay. So unsymmetric objects, how to locate, the main thing is in this, how to locate the buoyancy. Okay. So you know these symmetric objects can be balanced, but like unsymmetric objects like this one can't balance. Okay. If we will try, it can't balance. So we can find that center of gravity of this one by gravity. Okay. So by one experiment we can do this. Okay. So I will hang it with one nail. Okay. Like this I will hang, and I will hang one bulb also. Okay, so you can see one unique line. Okay, unique line. This line is only called line of gravity. So let's mark. Okay, so this line is only called line of gravity. Okay, and let's draw one line more, by changing the orientation. Okay, and one more time we will mark. Okay, so we have marked this line, and see, we have marked both line. Okay, so by marking the both line, you can see that, okay, that one this line and one this line are coming in, okay, are coming in one point. Okay, and at this point only the body can balance. Okay. Okay, so this is called center of gravity, and how to locate objects of unsymmetric objects and like symmetric objects. In the center we can find the center of gravity. Okay. And if the line of gravity, if suppose that some thing is slanting line, okay, slanting shaped, so how can we find that it is balanced or not? By hanging the bulb and checking that the bulb is passing through the base of the object. If the bulb is passing through the base of the object, then that is object balancing. Okay, stable. Okay, like Tower of Pisa. Tower of Pisa, if we will hang line of gravity, it will come on the base. So that only 850 years it is like that, slanting only. Okay, if more like this, it is passing through the base, no, then it is balance. Okay, and at this point only the body can balance. Okay, so this is called center of gravity, and the center of gravity is the point that the body